This series of videos will teach you from the basics to advanced levels, everything you need to trade for a living, and making stock and commodity trading your profession. Many people have a problem making money from the markets every day, even after studying and understanding many books and methods. This video series, if followed systematically, will take you step by step to trading success. In this video series, I will show you how to use the bar charts to understand the markets. The basic bar chart consists of a line for each time period. This could be a month, a week, a day, an hour, a minute, or whatever time period that we want to use. Each line represents the high and the low price at which the stock traded for that particular period. We can add two more values to it with two horizontal stubs, representing the open price and the close price, and a single bar will now show four elements: the open price, the high price, the low price and the closing price. Digging deeper, we will also understand how the stock behaved in this time period. Here, it opened at a low price and traded up all through the day, closing near the high, and we can understand that it was a time when the buyers dominated the market. And in this bar, the stock opened at a high price and closed near the lows, implying the sellers dominated the market during this time period. And in this bar we can instantly see that there was a balance between the buyers and the sellers, as the open and closing prices are near similar levels. Thus, every bar will give a lot more information than just the prices. When we start putting the bars as a string, we get more and more information. Here, we can see that the prices have been moving higher over consecutive periods, showing a rising trend, and here, we can see the prices have been declining to show the sellers are more active than the buyers. We can look at more detailed trends, and here, in a simple uptrend, we can see that the prices have been moving higher, and in this simple downtrend, we can see that the prices are moving lower over a prolonged period of time. Moving forward and combining many simple trends, we can see a series of higher bottoms here, indicating a larger uptrend. You can see it as a series of simple trends. It goes up and it comes down to print a higher bottom, and goes up again to a higher high and comes down to a higher low, and moves up to yet another higher high. Similarly, you can see a series of simple trends moving down here. It comes down and then swings up to post a lower high, and then swings down again to post a lower low, and then swings up again to post a lower high, and swings down again to post yet another lower low. In the next video, we will start using this information to examine a chart, and understand how to use this knowledge.